are different types of software testing? Very important question. So different types of software testing. There are many types of software testing. Any testing that you hear, basically you can categorize in any of these, broad 4 categories that you see here. So test types can be broadly. So if we talk about broader categorization, you can categorize into different categories. First one is functional. Second one is non-functional. Then third one is white box, which is testing the structure or architecture of the code. And then fourth one is testing related to any of the changes, which is retesting or regression testing. Okay. Now these are 4 high level broader categories within which any type of testing that you do, right, will be mostly be able to fit here. For example, in functional testing, so you see unit testing, integration testing, system, sanity, smoke, retesting, regression testing, all are functional testing, right? And testing related to changes is only retesting and regression testing, right? So when you do retesting, what you do, anything that has changed or there is a defect fixed, because of that you are re-executing that test. That is what retesting is. So that has been categorized into testing related to changes. So functional testing will be testing any testing type, that is unit, integration, system, sanity, smoke, regression, right? The non-functional, any of the non-functional aspect, if you're testing load, performance, stress, volume, security, etc. Any types of testing that you are performing or that are non-functional are categorized into non-functional testing. Then any white box testing technique, which is testing the structure or architecture, will be categorized into the testing of structure and architecture. And then testing related to changes are other testing type, for example, retesting and regression testing. So retesting and regression testing are also part of the functional testing, right? So you are testing the functionality when you are doing the regression test execution or when you are doing retesting. So these 2 testing are also testing related to changes or functional testing, right? So broadly, these are 4 categorization, and there are so many testing types that you will hear. A lot of, funny names as well, monkey testing, gorilla testing, whatever. But any sort of testing that you hear is basically a different type of testing. Now, don't confuse the types of testing with test levels, right? So there are only 4 test levels: unit, integration, system, and acceptance. And then types of testing, all of these different types of testing will fall into types of software testing, right?